eye. You can have beautiful plants and still feel like your collection looks messy, crowded, or unfinished. But it doesn't mean having expensive furniture or the perfect shelves. Sometimes a few small changes, tweaks, makes your plants look stylish again. A lot of people think styling a plant collection means buying more pots, more shelves, more decorations. But most of the time, styling is about arrangement, height, shape, color, lighting, and spacing. You're not just growing plants, you're creating a living space. One of the easiest styling tricks is using layers. If all of your plants are at the same height, everything starts to look flat. Try mixing hanging plants, tabletop plants, floor plants, and maybe a plant stand or a shelf. Adding levels automatically makes the collection instantly have depth. Plants look a little less formal and makes the collection seem more intentional. Notice how changing height changes everything. Tall plants create anchors, trailing plants soften edges, smaller plants help fill visual gaps. You don't necessarily need more plants. Sometimes you just need different levels. Another secret to a collection that seems more styled: variety. If every plant has the same style, size, and leaf texture, things can start to blend together. Try pairing broad leaves with fine foliage. You may also want to mix upright plants with trailing plants. Contrast usually creates interest. Texture creates personality. Large leaves feel bold. Fine foliage feels softer. Trailing vines add movement. Upright plants create structure. When you combine different plant personalities, your collection starts feeling designed instead of accidental. Styling plants isn't just about look. Your layout, it also has to work for your plants too. Lighting still matters. Sometimes the best plant styling is simply putting the right plant in the right place. Healthy plants usually become the best decor. Bright light areas often become natural focal points. Use those spaces intentionally. Let plants that love brighter conditions shine there, and let lower light plants support the surrounding space. Good styling works with plant care, not against it. Let's put this together. Same plant, no new purchases, just arranging height, textures, spacing, and placement. Small adjustments can completely change the feeling of a space. More breathing room, better balance, more visual flow. Same collection, different experience. Plants don't just change a room because they exist. How you arrange them matters. And when styling comes together with plant health, your arrangement starts to come alive. Next time, we're taking this even further. We'll talk about creating environments that actually help your plants thrive inside your home.